going to need dark chocolate, berries, sugar, coconut shreds, butter, cottage cheese. You can also use farmer's cheese or ricotta cheese, baking soda, sugar, flour, cornstarch, cocoa powder, and eggs. In a bowl, add your cottage cheese, sugar, coconut shreds, and 2 egg yolks. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and form a little ball. Place your cheese balls into your pan. I've lined it with some parchment paper and roll them out just like that. In a separate bowl, add your egg yolks with sugar, and we're going to whisk it until it's nice and pale and fluffy. Add your melted chocolate in. In a separate bowl, add your egg whites, and we're going to whisk them until they form nice soft peaks. Add a little bit of sugar. You should have nice soft peaks, and when you turn it around, it doesn't fall out. Into your chocolate, sift all your dry ingredients. Add your egg whites and then more dry ingredients and more egg whites until you form a nice batter. Add cocoa powder and mix that through. And don't knock too much air out because we want the cake to rise. Pour your chocolate batter all over your cheese balls. Pour your chocolate ganache all over your cake.